What's features highlight about Guete wireless CarPlay adapter for all factory, wired CarPlay cars wireless, CarPlay dongle, convert wired to wireless CarPlay. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including: it is small and can be hid away to make your car look neat. Makes a world of difference not having to connect via cable. CarPlay boots up within 5 to 10 seconds without a prompt needed. Sound quality and experience are exactly as with the device plugged in. Maps is very responsive without any lag. Steering wheel controls, knobs, and touchscreen controls all work too. Has a pass-through USB port to allow you to charge other devices. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.